Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You already have the essentials, make them work together. First, confirm Python 3. X is installed and accessible from a terminal. That ensures idle uses the right interpreter. Once done, open idle and choose File New File. In the new editor window, type a simple program, for example, print hello, then save the file with a py name in a folder you can find. Make sure the file name matches what you expect before running. Now you execute and observe. With your editor focused, choose Run Module or press F5. Idle sends the code to the shell and displays output there. If you see a traceback, read the last lines for the error type and file location. Those tell you where to fix code. If input pauses execution, type responses into the shell. Also, make sure the working directory is where your file lives because relative file access depends on that. Finish by iterating until the program behaves as intended. You edit, save, and press F5 repeatedly. That reloads changes into the shell. For logic problems, sprinkle print statements or use the built-in PDB to inspect variables step by step. Make sure you run the same interpreter that installed your packages. Idle can use a different Python if path differs. If things still fail, check path and Python version, restart idle, or reinstall.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.